In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Adobe Photoshop Express on Windows on your laptop or PC. For it, just go to your Windows search option, then search for Microsoft Store. And here you can see Microsoft Store. Just click on it and it will show you a pop-up like this. So here you need to search for Adobe Photoshop. Then just press enter. And then you will see this option, Adobe Photoshop paid version, and this is the Adobe Photoshop Express. This is the free version. Just click on it. Then here you can see the get option. Just click on get and it will start downloading Adobe Photoshop Express. And it is around 44 MB and the installation is complete. After the installation is complete, just click on open. Then click on next, next, next. Then you need to log in with your Google or Facebook. So I'll just log in with Google. So I'll click on continue with Google. And then I'll select my email address. Click on continue. Then click on open Adobe Photoshop Express. Then click on sign in over here. Then I'll just click here, create account. Okay, I need to give a date. Let's say 2000. Click on create account, then click on continue. So right now I'll be able to edit any kind of thing on my Adobe Photoshop Express over here. But you can easily use this to modify your images. So I hope this was useful to you. If you have any question or suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.